You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this personality, politician and diplomat from Estonia. She was the first female Prime Minister of Estonia. She's now Vice President of the European Commission. So we need to hear the pronunciation of her name in Estonian and how we can say it in English. Estonian pronunciation, Kaja Kallas. Kaja Kallas. Therefore, in English, you can simply say it as Kaja Kallas. Kaja Kallas. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.